What's going on, y'all? We back with another video, y'all. Another POV. Y'all know we don't waste no time. We get right into it, y'all. Let's set this up. We don't do nothing but fully track mode, 50-50. All right, let's go. I know that's what y'all want to hear. Y'all want to hear that whine, huh? I know y'all want to hear that whine. Oh, shit. Telling y'all, bro, I drive this truck every single day, and all I want to hear is that whine. I don't want to hear nothing else. All I want to hear is that whine, y'all. Let's see what we could get today. Let's see what we could get into today, man. I hope everybody doing good. I hope everybody's safe. You know what I mean? Keep dropping them POVs. Oh, there go the police. Can't go that way. We're gonna go right. I just sent the police went that way. We're gonna go right. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. All right, go, motherfucker, go. Oh shit. Man. Yes, Lord. This shit whine more than my baby mama. And she whines a lot. Huh. Boy. Hey, man, if you don't have a Trackhawk or a kitty, get one. I'm telling you. Go, 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 go. Come on. I seen the police down there. Damn, bro. I think my supercharged whines so much. I think it's broken, y'all. What y'all think? Hear this shit. This shit whining too much, bro. You hear that? I think it's broken. Oh my Lord. It is whining. That shit whining too much, cause my Hellcat wasn't whining like that. I don't know, man. I don't know, y'all. This shit whining too much. Y'all think it's broken? I think it's broken. Because, god dang. Got the police over there. Police had this shit whining, he gonna give me a ticket. It is against the law for this vehicle to be whining this loud. Get you a $300 ticket. Oh shit. What the police got going on? So fucking much. Come on, man. Like the police right now. Damn. Y'all had that pop? I want to put the windows down, dog, but the wind gonna mess up the video. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Come on, bro. Get out of my way. 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 Sheesh. Come on, come on. Oh, shit. Bro, this shit sounds so fucking good. God damn. Come on, come on. Yes, sir. What is that? Oh my God, y'all. I never get tired of doing this, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I never get tired of driving this damn truck. What's this? What's this? Alexis? Trying to cut through this motherfucker. Come on, bro. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Come on, man. Come on, bro. What is your... You don't hear this shit roaring behind you? Get out the way. Oh, look at this fool. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. Get out the way. Coming in hot. To this little yes ha. I'm telling you, bro, if you ain't willing to spend like fucking $100 to $200 a day in gas, bro, and you doing this type of shit, this type of content, don't fucking get this truck, bro. Don't get a Hellcat, don't get a Mopar, period. Cause them shit is gas guzzlers, bro. Because that's all you gonna wanna goddamn do. Is just get in the gas, bro. That's all you gonna wanna do all fucking day, bro. You know what I mean? This shit is addicted, bro. This shit is like drugs, my nigga. You know what I mean? Yeah. Ah, damn. Fuck was that? Come on, let's go, let's go. Bro, I ain't even gotta talk, bro. I ain't even gotta talk too much in these videos. I don't really like talking too much, but I'm gonna say a little 1-2 for y'all, bro. But I really just want y'all to just listen to this shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? Ain't really much to talk about, bro. You know what I mean? It's all about the wine, dog. You know what I mean? It ain't about me. It's about the wine. You dig? Shit. Ah, damn. That motherfucker moving. Woo-hoo-hoo. Damn. Sheesh. way, bro. That's, man, that be cutting up. Come on, bro. I ain't gonna go that way. Come on, man. Come on, come on, come on. I'm trying to go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Somebody gonna do something? God damn. These motherfuckers ain't moving. I'm on your ass though. Oh, there you go. Come on, man. All in the goddamn way. Uh-oh. The police. Let go. Fool ain't got no lights, bro. This nigga ain't got no lights. You know what I mean? What's this? Huh? What the fuck is this? Oh, that's a Hyundai. That ain't shit. Come on, man. I got telling y'all, bro. I don't really like talking too much, bro. You feel me? I just want y'all to just watch the video and listen to this shit, bro. This shit sound crazy. Feel me? This shit whines so much. That's the only whine I want to hear 2024, bro. Oh, we got a tunnel action, y'all. Oh, we got a bridge under the bridge action. Yo, them should be live. Bro, you ain't fucking with me. Bro, we got 6 pistons, bro. We stopping on a fucking dime. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Bam, 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 bam. Come on, bro. You fucking around. We moving, bro. We moving. We moving. Fucking moving, man. Whew. That shit was wild. We did it. Gotta watch out for these motherfuckers. You gotta watch out for motherfuckers out here. Oh, we ain't stopping. What you thought? We ain't stopping, baby. I'm gonna swing that way. Come on, Tessie, Tessie, Tessie. God damn. That bitch be shipping so hard. Sometimes I be thinking my transmission broke. This shit right here. Come on, man. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Come on, man. Come on, bro. Come on. Make room. These motherfuckers ain't gonna let you go through. Come on, bruh. Let's go, let's go. I'm gonna stay on this side. Fuck out my way, man. That's the motherfuckers you gotta watch out for. When they cut out like that, Even if I'm driving like that, bro, I'm paying attention to every fucking thing. Keep in mind, bro, I did 2 combat tours in Iraq, right? And sometimes I drove 1 time. I was assaulted, but I drove 1 time. And keep in mind, bro, you gotta be dodging all type of shit in the road. So, you know, anything could be a fucking bomb. You know what I'm saying? So, even if y'all see me driving like that, bro, I take courses in the military where driving and shit, you feel me? Because what the shit was going on overseas, bro. Motherfuckers put in bombs and dogs, and they throw the dogs on the side of the road. You gotta know how to weave them shit, bro. All type of shit you gotta be watching out for. So, don't thinking like I don't know what I'm doing, bro. You feel me? I know what I'm doing. You know what I mean? It's just, you know, out here you got to be watching out for people, because a lot of times these motherfuckers be on their phones. You know what I'm saying? You got to be aware of that shit. They're not paying attention, so you got to pay attention for them. You know what I mean? You got to pay attention for these fools, because they're not paying attention for themselves. You know what I mean? Y'all see the guitar over there, bro? That shit looks so good. There goes the police. Is that the police? I think that's the casino police, man. Oh, that's a tow truck. Police got blue and red lights. That's a tow truck. You still gotta be careful though, because you never know. Police being tow trucks out here for sure. This shit be screaming. This shit gonna be screaming. This shit be screaming, y'all. Oh my God. I swear to God, when you in close spaces with the trackie, bro, this shit be ridiculous whining. Whining be ridiculous in this shit, bro. Whining is ridiculous. Ridiculous, ridiculous, ridiculous. This shit will wake anybody up. Sleeping in your car drunk, that bitch gonna wake your ass up. On God. We gonna come around, cause I'm gonna come around and do it over there. This shit will wake you up, man. This shit will wake your motherfucking ass up. Wake your ass up, man. Alright, y'all, we're about to close this POV out, you know what I mean? I just cannot do a video without ending this shit, without showing y'all the trackie. Y'all been asking for the POVs. I'm pushing it out, y'all. I'm getting better and better every day, y'all, but this is the end of this video, man. Subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, y'all. If you been following me and been watching my content, I love you, man. Keep on watching. I'm gonna be pushing out more Trackhawk POV for y'all, bro. I love y'all. Have a great day. Subscribe. Be safe, y'all. This crazy world out there. Stay dangerous. Love y'all.